Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and today I created this makeup look using one eyeshadow palette on my eyes. So I used the Tartelette in Bloom palette. It's just a nice neutral palette, which is my favorite. This is the look that I came up with. You have pretty much every colour in this palette to create a complete look, which I did today. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, then please keep watching. So I like to prep my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Let that soak in. Then going in with my foundation, I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. Pump it on the back of my hand. I'll do like 2 pumps, and then I'm just going to dot this all over my face. I'm just going to kind of blend that out with a flat foundation brush. And then I'll go in with my Real Technique sponge and just kind of blend this in. Next I'm going to fill in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. Next I'm taking my Sigma Brow Powder Duo in Medium. I finally got a brow powder. And just using the darker side. Now I'm going to take the lighter side of the powder just to fill in the inner part of my brows. And I just do like upward flicks, and it just creates the look of natural hairs. And this is just a clear brow gel. I'm going to take this cream shade called Charmer. I'm just going to use this to kind of mattify my base. I'm going to go in with Sweetheart, which is this kind of light mauvey pinky colour. I'm just running this through the crease. Next I'm going to take Rebel on a Morphe M513 brush. I'm just going to pack this on my outer lid. Just blend those colours. Taking this colour right here called Leader. I'm going to really pack this on my outer corner just to really deepen it up. I feel like I say that every time. Now for the lid colour, I'm going to take, it's called Funny Girl. I'm taking a little bit of Firecracker, which is right next to it, just to blend out the edge a little bit more. I'm taking this colour right here called Activist. It's like a really deep brown, it's almost black. And I'm going to take a really tapered brush. Pressing the brush like diagonally against my lid and just bringing it down onto my lash line. Next, taking my NYX liquid liner, I'm going to draw on my wings. I'm just going to curl my lashes. This is from Gorgeous Cosmetics. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara to coat my lashes. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies. These are really similar to the Dummy Wispies. They're just a lot longer and more wispy. And I'm going to go over the base just so it just blends in more. I'm setting my face with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray. Whew. So this is the final look. I need a little more blush.